Friends, in today's video, we will discuss Motilal Oswal Small Cap Fund. So let us start with its performance. If we discuss its performance, then we will find that in all time frames, it has outperformed its category. The fund has came into existence in only 1 year and 10 months back, and since then its performance has been outstanding. If we talk about the 1 week performance, it has outperformed its category, as category has delivered only a return of 0.70%, whereas fund has provided a return of 0.98%, and same goes in the 1 month, 3 month and 6 month as well, where fund has outperformed its category with a reasonable margin. Particularly, its performance is exceptionally good in 6 months time period, where it has performed its category by around a margin of 5%, because whereas the category provides a return of 13.64%, the fund has provided a return of 18.42%. Meanwhile, it is noteworthy that fund's performance has been equally good in the 1 year time frame as well, where the category has delivered a return of 0.05%. That is a negative return of 0.05%. You may consider it as a flat return, whereas the fund has delivered a return of 7.47%. Actually outperformed its category by 7.5% roughly. So it is a very huge outperformance, and it becomes even more important because this fund has been hurt by the rumors of Motilal Oswal mutual fund house accepting bribes from Kalyan Jewellers and buying their shares. So this fund has come out very brightly from that shock and recovered all its past losses and has now outperformed its category in all the time frames. As a matter of fact, it has now become the number one in the small cap fund category, where its rank is number one in the 1 year time frame in a small cap fund category. Now let us discuss funds investment strategy. As you might be aware, all the mutual fund schemes of Motilal Oswal mutual fund house follow highly aggressive investment strategies, and this fund is no exception. This fund also follows an aggressive investment strategy, although it is doing so in a very balanced manner, as you can witness from its number of its stocks in its portfolio. So whereas the category holds 88 shares in the portfolio, on the other hand, this fund holds only 50 shares in its portfolio. That means which provides this fund adequate diversification but not over diversification, because as much diversification you achieve, your returns also get diluted in that proportion. Funds portfolio turnover ratio is also very reasonable, that is at 57%, whereas the category average is 80.46%. So you can infer from this ratio that this fund follows a buy and hold investment style and doesn't churn its portfolio too much. Fund is invested 92.54% in the equities, which again means that you may consider it as fully invested. So it is a handsome investment in equities. So this also shows that fund is following a reasonably aggressive investment. But the particular noteworthy feature of this fund is that it has invested in lower market cap companies, in smaller companies. Even small cap category in itself invest in smaller companies, and within the smaller companies it has invested in even smaller companies, because while average market cap of the category for the shares in which category has on average invested is rupees 9,457.19 crores, whereas average market cap in which this fund has invested is only rupees 2,095.59 crores. That is almost 1/4 of the category average, which means that in the smaller cap universe itself, it has invested in even smaller companies. So what does this mean for the investors? For investors, it means that being invested in the smaller companies means that this fund has the capacity to generate higher returns compared to the category, because as you know, that smaller companies have higher growth potential and therefore higher chances of appreciation in the market price of their shares. If we talk about the AUM, then AUM is at rupees 5,452 crores, which is a reasonable AUM for a small cap fund. Because if you invest in a mutual fund where AUM is very high, like Nippon India Small Cap Fund, then there are chances that their sort of funds may not return that good returns because they are forced to invest in larger cap companies. Even within the small cap category, they have to choose the larger companies to invest with, which may dilute their returns. So to sum up, we can infer that performance of the Motilal Oswal Small Cap Fund has been outstanding since its inception, and it becomes particularly important. It has now become the number one fund in the small cap fund category.